Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our part 7 from our flat parts, and this will be for the intermediate part. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now we're going to be looking at part 7, or should I say the fourth shape on our intermediate list. Now this one, it gets a little bit more complex as the ones we've already covered. This is also a 4 value or 4 options part, but the value or the options to set gets a bit more complicated. So now if we go to parts or flat parts from our primary toolbar, can find this P7. I'm not too sure what we call this part. If you know the name of it, you can always throw it in the description. But yeah, to me it's a bit of a rectangle, yeah, this shape and a circle mix. So, but now if we had to zoom in here, and we can see over here we've got 4 parts on the right. So we've got A, B, R, and V. And over here we have the R, A, B, and V. So then we can see which ones changes what. So for the R, this is the rounding on top, how big we want that. Then for the V, we've got the basically height. It would seem like it's perhaps to the start of the rounding, as we can see over here. And then we've got the B. This is this little bottom box area, how high we want it. And then we've got A, which is the width of that little box. It's pretty much the width of the overall shape as well. So let's just add a few values here. I'm going to make this one a 300. Then let's go to B and we'll make this one maybe about a 50. We want to go to our R rounding on top. Let's say we maybe make it 150, half of our overall shape. And then we do our V. And then this one I'll maybe do about 100, or let's make it 200. Leave the name the same, say OK, and we look at our little preview. Now this is a very odd preview. It's nothing like our shape, so I'm going to just see if we can refine this a bit. So I think our first thing is our top is too big, so let's go to the R and we make this, I'm going to chop it down a lot, 50, and just to see what result do we get here. Okay, this is already better. So I think maybe about 100 to 90 we will have the right rounding on top. So I'm going to try this 90, say OK. There, now our problem is our height. So let's just set our height quick of this. So this will be we can either do the V or the B, but I'm going to do the V for now. Make this 100, say OK. Okay, this is way closer. But obviously this shape is going to differ depending on the results you're looking for. So there's no need for us to actually get it accurate, but just to kind of get you an idea of what happens when you set these values. And definitely use the preview option. This is very, very handy. So I'm going to go set here to manual 1, say add, and then let's add this shape to our canvas. So this is our 4th shape, but it's part 7, P7. And like I say, so far I think from all our shapes, this is probably the most complex one we've covered. But yeah, there is some more, even more complex ones coming. But yeah, otherwise that is it on P7. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.